Alright, so the guys over at FMI hooked us up with these badass freaking hydraulic bump stops and rear spacers to get us a lift in the rear too. We had to remove the coil out of the back of this truck, and that right there is a lot of travel and a long coil. And that's where that sets, just like that. You're going down, your shocks are doing their job, and then when it hits this, it just gives you a little bit more strength to where you're not just bottoming out metal to metal. So these are really badass, and man, I'm telling you, I cannot wait to drive it with all this stuff on here. Fit and finish of this is amazing. Like, look at how well they measured these even. I mean, you're flush with the top. Somebody looks in here, looks like a factory item. Really, really, really good product. And one cool thing about these TRXs, how much travel they have for a daily driver, you know. 2 foot, dude, that's insane. Actual travel is gonna be 18 inches. That's enough for a pickup.